So, good morning guys. We are still on MGCQ. It's October 2, 2020. And today, welcome to another episode of The Positive Drive. The Positive Drive is a podcast that will basically tackle things that will help us be more positive in this tough time. Be better, be stronger, and be more positive, because yes, it's still important, very important for us to have a positive mindset in this difficult time. Yeah, we don't want to be positive with COVID, but we still need to retain a positive mindset to thrive. Yeah, we give way to the police to thrive and succeed in this difficult time. Of course, still are under MGCQ. Not we're not back to normal yet, although some people think we're back to normal, but we have to be careful. Gabon, the virus is still there. There are still people becoming positive every day, which is sad. And a good thing, by the way, on the right, that's the drive-through lab. If you want to get yourself checked, the drive-through lab here at Vicente Soto is here. But yes, but we need to check ourselves, and our minds be positive gihapon. And I hope you are more optimistic now compared to months before. But yeah, I know it's been tough, but there's still some reason for optimism na we are seeing some progress. Mansad, the virus transmission has been slower for one, and kuana, and I think the people also are more conscious, so everyone is like wearing masks and also being careful that they will not get the virus. So it's a good thing na the habits have been changed. We have better habits now, and more people are doing the right thing, especially itong basic lang, which is wearing mask, washing hands often, and social distancing. Although sometimes they cannot avoid, but I can see na man sa tao conscious na sa dana. A lot of us are conscious with that. So, speaking on the positive drive, today we're going to be talking about, yesterday we talked about, learning from mistakes, but today we will talk about, journaling. I mean, do you still write, by the way, guys? Writing like journaling about, to remember your days, for example, when the day ended, diba? Sometimes before we sleep, some people will evaluate what they did the whole day. Okay, kumusta lang self, what happened throughout the day? Do you do that? Do you have like a recap on your day? You recap mo what happened to my day. And there are many people who write. They still keep like a diary or a journal, and I think that's a nice habit, really. I mean, someday you might find it funny. I mean, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and you read your journal for 2020, then at least you will remember, oh, this is what happened, this is what I felt. But this one, we're gonna make a journal. I'm gonna encourage you to make a journal, and in this journal, imong isuwat ang highlights sa imong adlaw. Like, kumustahon ni mo mga adlaw na what happened to your day, and you focus on the positive things that happened to your day. Like 3 highlights of your day, the 3 best things that happened to your day, kasi makakuan sila, makakuan ang mga tao. makuan ba, yung i-highlight what are the 3 highlights of your day so that you'll be focusing on the positive things that happened. Yan din sila mga babae. Sorry, nipito ko. So bala, 3 highlights of your day na focusing on the positive things na nahitabo sa imong adlaw. For example, let's say today you had a kwan. Today na ini nakakaon kag lami, di ba? Let's say today I ate lechon, and that's a positive thing, right? I'm making lechon. And that's a good. Today I received a negative RT-PCR test. Probably nga na ba, let's say na lang, mag-imagine ko sa akong day, let's say you're a Laker fan, so today the Lakers won, mong first highlight. Number 2, you delivery kas imong migo og coffee. Number 3, nakadawat kasi imong sweldo, di ba? Mana imong 3 highlights of the day. So you do that every day. Na imo lang i-focus the tulo lang 3 best things that happened throughout the day. Before you sleep, put it in your notebook or your journal. Isuot lang ang 3 best things that happened through your day. Ano yung para nimo highlight yun karong adlaw. Focus on the positive karong adlaw. Nagsugod kog diet karong adlaw. Nidagan ko sa bilyana kanang ana. So focus on those things na imong na-achieve, na feeling nimo that makes you happy. Then keep doing it, let's say for the rest of your life, for 1 year, 2 years, 5 years, and then once upon a time pina Facebook ba, you look back wala kag pina memories na what happened on October 2, 2015, what were my highlights. And you will be shocked sometimes because you will remember it like it was yesterday. It's like you will kanang pagbasa ng mga old journal ba, and then kanang positive journal especially, it will generate the same positive feelings. By the way, let's say gisugot ka na niya kanang adlaw, most likely the emotions will go back and will make you feel good. Since kana imong libro good, let's say our journal is positive journal ba, so every time you watch, every time you read that or even write on that, it will generate some positive feelings. And you know why sad nga na ako yung ipasuwat? Because kaning pagsuwat, by the way, it's like has a multiplier effect na gini nani effect na makakuan ba, makadubli sa imong kuan, makadubli sa effect na imong gusto hito. Let's say tanawa nang magtuon kaya imong isuwat, mas dugay ka makalimutan na kay imong gisuwat manang, you know, kana ato mga maestra ganahan na mag notes gyud ta, because yes, writing notes will like double the learning. O imo ko nang gisuwat, so makahinumdum gyud ka unsa gito kung gisuwat. So 1 plus 1 equals 2. Pero yes, mana. So manang nindot gyud ko ansad na when we write about it, murag atong gi-release ang atong positive energy sa atong pen padong sa atong journal para ma-permanent na siya. So na siya permanent memory. So manang, yes, I want you to start this journaling habit, na this positive journal, because I believe na gini positive effect on you. Kasuway mo buwan na, naalala mo ba yung positive journal? Kung wala pa, sugdi lang. It's so simple. Like, kuha lang ang notebook. You could buy a journal nga na mahalon, but oh yeah, may mga planner na libre. Kung tagaan kag mga planner, why not? So get one of those planners and start today. Especially karong 2020, it's the best time to start a positive journal. Bisag every day lang before you sleep, I want you to write something. I just want you to write the 3 highlights of your day. Ang highlights ko to, I really want na kinalan positive gina perme. Na highlight na guna. Ay itong low light. Highlight itong iguanan. para lang on this positive journal, pwede ka magsuot na kay diary gid na lang imong mga feelings, but on this positive journal, simple ra na 3 sentences lang. October 2. What are the 3 highlights of your day? Mana. No, I'm sure. The moment ang nakanindot sa din na exercise is, since you're focusing on the highlights always, so you're focusing on the positive events, you're putting like a sieve, or marabag ang imong mata focus na on looking for positive always. So marabag, you're gonna be, it's like a training na you're gonna look always at the bright side, na kung ano, you're gonna look at the bright side of things, na no matter how tough the day, no matter how tough the situation, how tough the year, you will still find a way to find a highlight. You'll still find a way to find something good, something great about your day, your week, your month, or year. Because in the end, muna, makakuha na yun ka. In the end, once you're focused on the positive things, the positive type of things, kuha na, you you wouldn't realize it, but you have become a positive person. So positive na yung mindset, because instead na mag-focus ka, let's say mong focus magsigag panaway, since you're a positive person now, ang imong focus would be on how to praise someone. Diba? Instead na manaway, imo na silang imo na silang i-praise na, wow, awesome kay kabay, wow, wow, biliban ako nimo oy, oh, thank you kaayo. And mao gina akong ingon nimo na kung mas positive ka, mas dali na ka, dili na ka init ugo, mas makakita na ka the good side of things and situation. So mana guys, maorgi na akong one. Yes, today let's start October 2. Let's start a positive journal together. Sige, mag-start yun ka para kuhan yun ka. I'm gonna reset something and let's just start something positive, because on this day we remember na kitang tanan, no, whoever na makapaminaw na ko, or basig kung saan na ning adlaw ni mo naladunggan, but I want you to start a positive journal and let's start it together, and hopefully, yes, we can look back. I'll remember this day sad, we can look back 2 to 3 years from now na, hey, today I started a positive journal on my podcast, and today I was able to I've become more positive, diba? So thank you so much for listening, guys. And finally, since positive kayo mo, nakakita na kong parkinganan. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you na sad sa sunod na ng podcast. Continue listening, and if you have any suggestions on how to be more positive in life, na mo in your own tips, let me know. Own habits that you want to form, so let me know. So let's start today with our positive journal and see what happens after, let's say even, let's check na lang after, let's say November 2, 1 month. Let's check together kumusta ho na to, if we were able to manage to write a positive journal in our positive journal for 30 straight days, and look back all the highlights sa atong mga highlights sa atong October na month. And I hope all of you guys will be fine, okay, and take care, stay awesome, and let's stay positive. Thanks to you so thank you na sad, yeah, but yes, let's always be thankful. Sige, thank you kay bye. sa pagpaminaw, ug see you na sad ugba sa next positive drive nato. Thank you so much. This is Carlo Alano and on the Positive Drive episode 7, the Positive Journal episode. Bye guys.